RHS Bridgewater is the largest gardening project in Europe at this point in time. We're working across 154 acres, but the focus is very much on the wall garden as the epicentre of the site at this point in time.
It means quite a lot to the area, especially as it's so close to an urban setting.
On this particular side of Manchester, where it's the north and the west of Manchester, there is nothing. So this is going to be a big attraction here. It might make a lot of city children think about either getting into gardening or agriculture.
It's acting as a nucleus for change in the area. We're now at the really exciting phase of bringing in new plants to the site. The team have just embarked on a programme to put in 100,000 plants over the next 6 months.
The experience is absolutely great. As you can see, I'm here today in the rain. Nothing's going to stop me. I think that it is good for the soul to be gardening alongside like-minded people on a project as significant as this.
Started on the building renovation team, constructing furniture and playthings for the woodland play area for the kids. What I'm creating here, it's going to be there for people for years to come when I won't be here.
We've really pushed the boat out in terms of getting as many people from the local community involved and engaged in the garden right from the outset. And these will form a vanguard, if you like, of qualified horticulturalists.
We've been creating this garden just through the activities we do as part of the social prescribing. There are many ways I can use gardening and being in nature as a resource to help people who are suffering a diverse range of conditions.
So far we've been planting different things, and then we've just come back this morning to see that they've taken root and they're growing and they're looking really pretty. It's a real sense of achievement.
It's like we have some form of ownership over the things that we've created.
We will be able to bring our families when the garden is open and say, we planted this.
We're anticipating more insects, more bird life and more mammal life flourishing at RHS Bridgewater.
This garden is going to bring so much to the Salford community, and a lot of the people who've been working with, they do come back week after week because they like that social contact.
And that's one of the joys of volunteering, is you end up in a team with people you might not necessarily cross paths with socially.
So we work with a lot of young people. Over summer we've just had the second wave of National Citizenship Service, and if we can get them involved in the garden, they can start seeing further opportunities, maybe undertake an apprenticeship, do one of the formal training courses, and hopefully maybe one day we'll have a future curator.
The lives that we can change, the people that we can reach, the potential that this garden has to have a really positive impact across a huge section of society is absolutely massive at Bridgewater.